Hey, I'm William. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace a thermistor on your Samsung top-load washer. If you're experiencing issues such as fluctuating water temperatures, error codes related to temperature, or inconsistent washing cycles, it might be time to check or replace this component. Now before we dive in, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. You're just a few steps away from getting your washer back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Now let's start by getting our tools together. Today we'll only need a multimeter, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver to get the job done. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your top-load washer or turn the breaker off. We're grabbing our Phillips screwdriver and removing the 4 screws mounting the back access panel. With the screws removed, we're lifting the back panel up and out and setting it to the side. Now we're going to lean the washer forward so that we have good working room. We are disconnecting the thermistor wired connector and grabbing our multimeter. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we've put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. We're setting it to resistance, which looks like an upside down horseshoe. We're testing from terminal to terminal on the thermistor. At room temperature, we should get a resistance reading between 55K and 65K ohms. If the resistance is outside of this range, the thermistor would need to be replaced. If the resistance is within this range, something else may be causing your washer to not operate properly. If you find your thermistor has failed, here's how to replace it. We're using our Phillips screwdriver to remove the mounting screws for the thermistor. With the screw removed, we are pulling the thermistor out from the tub. Here's the old thermistor and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. We are pushing the thermistor up into the tub and securing it with the Phillips screws we removed. We are connecting the thermistor wires and securing them with a retainer. Now we can set the washer back down on its feet. We are grabbing the back access panel and mounting it back in place, securing it with the 4 screws we removed, and then plugging the power cord back in. With that, we are done. Great job tackling the thermistor on your Samsung washer. We hope your machine is running smoothly again. If you have any feedback about your repair journey, let us know how it went in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Should you find yourself in need of any replacement parts, remember AppliancePartsPros.com is your go-to source. Just have your model number handy, and most orders arrive within just a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair, and we look forward to helping you with your next project.